Marissa, thank you. You never do what she tell you for you. You hear that? But never need a little time to process this in my brain. So if you see me move away from now on, you understand the situation. No more also, what you do about your son?
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
What do you mean you know what to do? A kidnapping that Marissa. Best thing you do is go to the police.
Police? You're mad? Man, not take them the risk there. You don't know the type of family them be.
So, what you going to do then?
The only thing I can do, I ask Kerry if you talk to her.
Well, better we go link Kerry now. Because I say once she have her son as leverage, I'm not comfortable with you around me again, Marissa. So we have to fix that.
Kerry, wait. This is a surprise. I want to go on. I want to run here.
I come for talk to you, Kerry.
Oh, alright. Hold on now. What's going on?
Oh, go on, Kerry. Hit me a kind of about.
You know, same soon come circle me. Marissa, what going on? What you want to talk to me about?
Kerry, I don't know if you said this. But your sister take with my son.
So, a tuna attack or a joke na make?
Just the other day, I keep on fish fry. And I look around, busy. Then I can't find my son.
So, are you so sure say she take him? Or are you sure of that?
Because she called me and tell me say, she take him. Cause me still a deal with Butcher.
John, no, Kerry. Me had to find out so the woman they give her pies if you put them food. You could have been a dead man right now, you know, Kerry.
What is wrong with this woman? Oh, she's so damn stubborn. Marissa, come here.
Tell them are your friend, not just them not love you, them only love what you got. Smiling at me face and want to stop me at me back. Them not want me elevate, them would rather see with the flop.
Watch out. 1 minute, in here.
Glad we see you right now. So how are you going to do? She don't even know how I'm going. But a story right now, it is.
Oh, go on the butcher.
Boy, it is long time I want about something, brother. Right? Come like me, blind to it, brother. It is. Could have dead right now, you know, brother. That's really
No, you're not dead. So how we go?
Boy, Marissa come clean to me, brother. Because all the time she there around me, you know, it is. She always a move a look over here. Know something about her. You get me and say, but I just feel like I always a think say, yo, our youth and it is, I don't even know it is.
Bro, get to the point. I hear more and hear what I go on.
It is. You know, say the beacon link me today. You get me and say, me and I will a reason. And it reached to a point where she had tell me, say, yo, the only reason she did that run for to kill me. Shop her mother. Gotcha. Well, you're still there. And she never poisoned you. So that must mean something. What you think? Boy, it's a good point that, you know. Deep down, I feel like she care about me, you know. But right now, I feel like I'm gonna need a whole heap of time to process this, brother. Here I go on, butcher. May I go with a serious reasoning on this here, bro. So I go on, yes.
Don't say